Recording.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. On the way home, had to stop and get gas. Oh yeah, it's back to work this week. We've been on our trip to Colorado and Utah both. We went to Colorado to Silverton, Lake City, and Ouray in that area. Telluride with the Jeep Gladiator. Man, I would have loved to have took the Honda CRF250L, but we really didn't have room in the truck, and I could have put the bike rack that I have that goes in the hitch, receiver hitch. I could have put it on the back, put the bike on there, but I know where we went off-road, there's no way. That thing would have drug on everything, and I knew that would happen. So I'd like to get a different setup to where I can haul my gear yet still haul the bike and not have to worry about that problem. I'm not sure what to get or how to do it, but because I've seen a lot of dual sports out there, and I told Sherry, I said, man, I would love to have my 250L out here right now. We actually was in Utah because we stayed a couple days there at Silverton, a few days, whatever, and Ouray area, and then we went over to Moab, Utah to check that out while we was around, and we met Rick Edwards, one of my subscribers, and his son. Met them out there, and then we thought, well, we had to pay for one night there at camping at Moab, and I'm telling you, I just really didn't care for it. I mean, people take their Jeeps out there and have a blast, I know. It was just hot, rock, you know. In Silverton, it's cool, and the mountains and all the beautiful views, and just more than just going out there and crawling around on some rocks. It was so amazing to see the mountains and the nice cool weather, cool at nights. Moab was hot during the day and hot at night. We did go see Arches National Park while we was out there, which that was pretty cool to see. And it's one of those things, like, you go see it, but you don't want to go back. I mean, it's not that great. It's neat to see, but once you've seen it, that's enough. But now, in Colorado, in the mountains, I wanted to go back. I didn't want to leave. We could have stayed out there, but we didn't stay in hotel rooms. We actually camped out. We took the Gladiator out. We had the Napier tent on the back, so 8 nights, except for the one night in Moab. We camped out on the trail. We found a spot where nobody was at and parked it, set up the tent, get out we have one of those Coleman Gladiator cookers, got it out, and it worked great. Done all of our cooking, our meals. We cooked steak one night. We cooked bacon and eggs for breakfast, and so we had good meals. And we had the Joy Tuttis. I had both refrigerators with me, and those worked super. So I kept our meat in one, our drinks in the other, and way better than packing ice in a cooler. And then at night, I plugged the one with the meat and stuff, the groceries, I plugged it into that Jackery Explorer 500 that I have, and that run it like for 4 nights straight, and then I charged it and ran it for the other 4 nights. But so we had a great time, and dang, guy, you're supposed to go out there and not cut plumb across and about hit me, idiot. So we had a great time and didn't miss the idiots like that one. But they're out there too, trust me. One thing we noticed in Silverton and Ouray area up in there, it was unreal. You'll see in the videos. I put one video up, but it's not really the off-road stuff yet. But I got one video up, and then I'll start putting some more up here pretty soon as I get a chance, because I'm working on the house, so I'm really busy doing that stuff. But you'll notice that it's crazy what people will take out there on that off-road stuff. I mean, stuff that I thought was nice challenge for the Gladiator. They're taking stuff out there that's a little Subaru Outback, or you know, and dragging the bottoms out of those things, and they just got regular highway tires on them, and so I guess you can go with what you got. But boy, but it sure was a lot of fun. It was cool meeting Rick out there and his son. We seen there was a lot of great people that we talked to in different spots, so we had a good meal there in Silverton. We ate ribs at the, I don't remember the name of it, but it's the barbecue place there in Silverton. Really, I highly recommend that place if you're out there to try. He had like $15.99 for a half rack of ribs and the fixings for it, so that was really good. But now we're back to work and back to the same routine. And hopefully I get to go for a ride pretty soon. I plan on going with a buddy of mine, Harry, that lives over here at Exeter, maybe tomorrow. And he's got a 2020 CRF250L. So at least now there's somebody around the area to ride with, because Blake and Kevin's gone. Moved on to bigger and better things, I guess. But anyway, more videos coming soon. Just thought I'd give you guys an update on what's been going on, and that's why a lot of my questions wasn't answered for that whole week, was because we was out there and didn't have no cell phone signal out there in the mountains. And so no questions got answered, and I wasn't able to keep up on none of that stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the next one. Right on.